LAES just reported earnings. And the actual earnings report, what it said, as you could see here through the Prophecy AI app, was as of fiscal year 2025, revenue reached 18.3 million, which is up 66% year over year. Now, I came and I drove across the entire state of Florida to network with another investor to give you guys the best information that I possibly can, which is why I was able to find through the press release tab of the Prophecy AI app, where it gives you a quick summary of everything, breaking down the whole report. And if you do want to follow up to see the actual full report, you can just click the Read More tab and you can just look at the rest there. Now, what just happened with the stock itself is I do want to break down and let you know that the actual raw numbers is 18.3 million, up 66% year over year from fiscal year 2025. Quarter one is expected to be at $4 million, which is over 100% growth year over year. Their cash position has increased because as of December 31st, 2025, their cash was reported to be at 425 million. So that is an increase of $100 million within the span of 3 months. So their strong cash position currently is at 525 million as of March 31st, 2026, and their pipeline it exceeds $200 million for 2026 all the way through 2029, including 60 million from the QS 7001 and QVault TPM programs. Now, on paper, this looks like a company that's growing fast and has the money to keep growing. Where you as an investor needs to pay attention, regardless of whatever time frame you're looking at this stock, whether if you're a short-term day trader or a long-term investor, the specific things that you need to pay attention and take into consideration is that a lot of small cap stocks don't have cash. They dilute you, and LAES, they're sitting on over $500 million, which means they can fund R&D, they can scale production, and they don't need to immediately dilute shareholders like you. So the real story here isn't even the revenue itself. It's the Q oh sorry guys, it's the Q7001, and it's which is coming in April. And what this could unlock is the commercial production, real revenue acceleration, and potentially a re-rating of the stock. If you are holding this stock, this is the moment that you need to be watching. If you are holding LAES right now, real quick, guys, please comment below what it is you are buying, holding, or selling. I read every comment and want to know what it is that you guys are thinking. Now, I don't want you guys to ignore the reality, because on this stock we never on this channel we never marry a stock. I personally like to give you the best information that I possibly can from a bull bear perspective and make it as unbiased as possible. So this still is a small cap stock. It's not fully scaled yet, and they're still dependent on execution as of this very moment. So even though the numbers look great with the revenue specifically, 66% increase year over year, and with what's expected to come in Q1 of fiscal year 2026, the number, even though that they look great, the market is still waiting for proof. And where this leaves you is LAS. It's growing fast, it's well funded, and has a major catalyst coming, but the market still needs confirmation. And if you want me to keep covering LAES, SEALSQ, and breaking down updates like this in real time, make sure you subscribe. And if you got value from this video, please drop a like, as it helps pushes this out to more investors just like you. When I first found SEALSQ, ticker symbol LAES, I was just searching through quantum stocks because I was overall bullish and had a bullish outlook with all quantum related things, quantum computing, and just quantum stocks as a whole. My first impression when I came across a stock was the same as all the other quantum companies, is that the whole industry is relatively new. And when I first bought shares of LAES, I was under the impression that I would need to wait for the long haul. I was okay with waiting for a minimum of 3 to 5 years. And as of right now, my opinion on the stock has not changed because their cash and cash equivalents has gone up about $100 million since the end of the year, fiscal year 2025. And at this moment, their forwards guidance is still on track. So my opinion is still the same at this very moment. My opinion is this is a long-term hold, and that we are early with the company. However, in the short term, if the company can stick to the metrics that was placed for its forward guidance, and they can continue to shrink their losses quarter over quarter, there's potential that maybe towards the end of the year we can return to the 52-week highs within the $7 to $8 range, potentially. And also, quick reminder, guys, if you haven't joined my free InvestQ community or are interested in Prophecy AI, be sure to check out the links below.